Run, run, run. Homer did it too. You look good in video, Craig. Alright guys, so we're greeted by Hagen up there, Craig here with his single relationships, AA Ron from, wait, what's his channel again? Oh yeah, insert rail fan name here, and then Antony. What's your YouTube channel?
Ohio Outdoor Warning Sirens.
Alright, well I just heard an outdoor Ohio warning siren mine today.
And then all of a sudden it just threw us in suppression.
Maybe it's a malfunctioning signal.
No, it's not with the signal.
So you guys are on the number 2 track?
Number
Oh,
two.
we are on the number 2
This is
track.
number 2 track, right close to us. That's
Yeah.
number 1 track.
Probably.
Alright.
So you're going
Let-
back into the.
Yeah, let's go over here so we don't get yelled at for standing there. Plus, they probably might be able to see us.
Probably.
Can I carry
Yes.
this?
Let me
I'm
go
like-
drink water.
Alright. I'll try to tell you what it says.
Getting it received and confirmed for me.
Front of it, you get the leads go off.
Is this? Hey, alright, this is full volume. I'm trying to listen to what they're saying and try to decode what they're saying.
I don't understand them.
What?
I should drop that red fence when you guys get 1,500 feet. To that signal at the QD 151. Oh. Roger.
Here, it's, hey, you're gonna need this. Oh, it is yours? Oh, I thought it was his.
No, we should stay down there so we can see if he starts to move it.
Well, you'll be able to hear him.
No.
This is a train that had PTC issues. Finally up and running. This is why it's taking so long. It's going really slow. Oh, I missed it. I didn't catch it on camera, but the engineer was waving to us. I think I actually caught it on my phone though. Huh. Real car.